Ever wanted to select multiple global IDs with Bonsai and you encountered an issue? Either you didn't know how to do it, either you got something that you didn't know how to use, because if you are selecting too many objects, you will get a message that it's a bit more difficult to use. So let's see what we can do about that. Let me show you what I mean. We are in the project overview tab, and we go down here to the add search group. You might wonder first, before I do this, before I show you this, why and when could you use that? So there are multiple scenarios, especially for when dealing with IFC patch. If you want, let's say, to extract just a group of objects, that's a different combination of objects, like let's say different slabs, different walls, or something where you want to be very, very specific. So you want the global IDs, you don't want to deal with the classes, right? For QTO, maybe sometimes, I don't know, like there are different situations. And to do that, we have to go here. Add search group, we have global ID here, add a filter. Now, you see if I pick an object and I press on this thing right here, it will pick the global ID of this object. If I pick few more objects, it will pick more of them and we will see them separated by the comma. But now, if we pick many more of them and I press one more time here, we will see something like this, which is BPI data text blah blah blah. So if I copy this and if I go here and I paste it, this is not a lot I can do. Unfortunately, if you want to extract, let's say now this object, it will not work. At best, it will give you only this global ID, this object, but maybe not even that one. I will not waste time trying that because that's not the scope of this video. Okay, so what do we do? Well, there is another place where you can see the global IDs, and that's it right here at the top. You have to click here on Edit Filter Query, and now you'll be able to see everything. When you click once inside, automatically by default, everything gets selected. So if I press on Command C, in your case, Control C on Windows, if you are using Windows, and then if I go here, I delete this and I paste it, we will see that I got all the global IDs. That's kind of how you do it. So it's very important, instead of copying directly from this, which simplifies, I think this field simplifies the way it interprets this. I think maybe a text file is created with all these global IDs and this code is referring to. I'm not sure, I could be wrong about this. But yeah, that's kind of how you go around it. Then that's how you can get all the global IDs that you are interested to work with. Now, leave me a comment and tell me if you ever encounter a situation when you wanted to use some specific objects, which was a special combination which is not easy to achieve by adding different filters, like classes or attributes or names, stuff like that. And that's it. It's not more complex than that. Quite simple and straightforward, but not so easy to figure out on your own, especially if you are in the beginning. By the way, big news today, I just launched the BIMvoice Academy. So if you want to learn more about it, if you want to see if this could be something for you, please feel free to check the link in the description, or just go to BIMvoice.com, watch that video, and yeah, see if something for you. If it's for you, then I can't wait to see you inside. If not, then I'll keep seeing you around here on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.